and international payment on PayPal for goods and services. So this is a very easy tutorial. First, you just have to create, of course, a PayPal account, and then you have to submit some documents like IDs and whatsoever there in order for you to be verified. And sending money or sending goods to someone international is indeed very easy. All you have to do is to simply click this send button right here, and then once you tap that one, you will see this send payment to. So you have to type the name, username, or if you don't have both, then you can type email or mobile. Okay, so let's just say I'm going to send an international goods to this email address right here. Okay, international payment and PayPal for goods and services. So after that, that email address will appear right here. Tap this one. And then here you have to enter the amount or the payment. Okay, and then after you enter the payment right here or the amount right here, then what you want to do is to click this next button below this for more information. Okay, tap this one here. And then you have two choices. So for this tutorial, of course, we're going to tap this for goods and services, get a full refund if any eligible items gets lost or damaged. So tap this one and then click continue. And then after that, you have to recheck all the information right here. So you have to check it one by one. Once done, once okay, you have to click send. Okay, so that's how easy it is to send international payment on PayPal for goods and services. But how about if you want to request an international good or payment? So all you have to do is to click request right here. And same thing, you have to enter the person's name or username or email address or mobile. And then that person or that person's email address will appear right here. Tap that. And then you can enter now the amount that you want to request. Okay, click next, enter the amount right here. And then after you have entered or typed the amount, and then probably you can send next and then request a payment. And after that, you just have to wait for the response of this person. Okay, that person will send an email for you to notify you if he or she have accepted or received this request. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.